What do you get when you mix Kandinsky and his love of circles with a tree? Well, maybe something like this colorful collage project. It's great for spring or fall, includes lots of good cutting and gluing practice, and makes a really pretty work of art too. Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher, and I've been teaching kids about art for more than 20 years. The thing I love about collage is that the color is all baked in. All you have to do is focus on the cutting and arranging of shapes. Step number 1. The supplies needed for this project are a full sheet of blue paper, a half sheet of green, half sheet of black, about 5 strips for the circles, scissors, glue stick, and a pencil, which I didn't show here. Step number 2. The first thing to do is make some grass for the bottom of the page. I'm going to cut a wavy line along the top of this strip so it looks a little more like a hill or something. When the cutting is done, it's time to attach it with a glue stick. Do make sure to add glue all around the edges really well so it lays nice and flat. Step number 3. It's time to make a silhouette of a tree from that half sheet of black paper. Feel free to look at my guide that's included in the download and draw your own, or you can just use that one as a template too. Just cut out the printed tree, place it on the black paper, and trace around it with a pencil. Just so you know, pencil lines do show up pretty well on black paper. Then carefully cut out that black tree and place it on your background paper. When it comes to gluing this tree down, I recommend using a scrap piece of paper, turning the tree over, and then adding glue on each and every point. It will really help the rest of your work if this tree is firmly attached and is laying nice and flat. Step number 4. Now we can start cutting out lots of circles, and I'm going to start by making some big ones, beginning with this pink paper. I find it helps to start with a square that's about the size of the circle I want, then rounding the corners until it looks more like a circle. I'm switching to yellow paper now, and I'm going to make a big circle for the left side. Remember, these don't have to be perfect circles, just something that's kind of round will be just fine. I'm switching paper to the darker pink color now, and I'm going to cut out one more larger circle. Oh, you know what? I just decided that this pink circle on the right looks a little big, so I'm going to trim it a bit. You know, that's what's great about planning before you glue shapes down. You can always adjust them if you want. The goal now is to add lots of smaller circles inside those larger ones. And you need to switch colors too, of course, so there's never 2 of the same color on top of each other. Otherwise, they won't show up very well. It does help to work in batches like this, and every once in a while glue down what you have cut out. If you wait too long, lots of loose circles get kind of hard to manage. Step number 5. It's time to add some medium-sized circles to our tree. Try to use all the different colors you have so you get lots of variety. I'm going to just cut more medium and small ones and arrange them until it seems like my tree is full and also has a nice composition to it. Do take a break every now and then and glue down what you have cut out. It will really help keep things in place as you work. Step number 6. Keep on cutting and gluing circles until every stack has at least 3 layers to them. A few really small ones look great too. See how easy collage work can be? It really only takes a few minutes to make a very colorful picture. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find hundreds more art lessons, including this collage project for a G's Bend quilt. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I hope you try that one out too.